Here's a look at the sky. Tuesday morning. Oh, it's about 9:30. Yeah, it is 9:30 in fact. And a lot of trails in the sky this morning. A lot of trails. A whole lot, in fact. As usual, they tend to be in the area of the sun, except for this big one here that stretches overhead and goes quite a ways off to the north. But looking over this way, yeah, the whole sky is just really covered in cloud, seeming cloud. Interesting patterns, very interesting. Big X kind of formed right over East Flagstaff here. And if I step out into the street, being careful not to get run over, there's one more right there. Check it out, right there. One big, long trail that's widening out, as they do. You know, they lay these things down, and then they get wider and wider, and eventually dissipate into the atmosphere and give us what we have down here, which is some level of toxicity in our air. Yeah, it's really bizarre when you think about it. Off in the distance, you can sort of make out over there more trails off that way, off to that'd be the northeast. Yeah, it's difficult to know exactly what's going on. I don't think we can know exactly what's going on, but obviously it's not natural. And even Wikipedia now is trying to claim that these trails that we see here in the sky are simply natural condensation trails from jet aircraft. But as anybody who really knows about flying would know, and as a former aviator myself, high bypass turbofan engines do not produce that kind of trail. Occasionally they do produce contrails, but they generally dissipate relatively quickly, and they don't leave patterns and residue that persists in the sky for a long time before it eventually dissipates and winds up on the ground or in your lungs. Yep, strange times we live in.